Today I show how to install a screenshot software Lightshot. Just search Lightshot and get this first link. If your computer is Windows, you download Windows, and if Mac, download for Mac. My Windows. It's downloading, it's download complete, and click here. Do you want to allow this app make changes to your device? Yes. English, okay. I accept terms and condition. Next. It's installing. Finish. And it's complete. Installing Lightshot. Just I click. I search Lightshot. Lightshot. I already pin it here. I click here and again click here. Then I select the area and Control S or save button, Control S, and you found this screenshot is document file, document Lightshot. Okay,